Returning to Commander Shepard's first adventure and need to load a Mass Effect 1 save, ME1 files contain your progress in the original Mass Effect game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Mass Effect 1 save game files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for ME1 problems. See below for my top choice. A save game file created by the video game Mass Effect 1. This file contains all the player's progress, including character stats, story decisions, inventory, and current location. Users interact with these files to back up their progress, transfer saves, or use community-made save editors. The ME1 file is a proprietary binary format, likely compressed and structured to efficiently store a wide variety of game state data. The design prioritizes fast loading and saving by the game engine and includes checksums or other integrity checks to prevent corruption or simple tampering. Generally, ME1 files are associated with Mass Effect 1 developed by BioWare. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows offers minimal detail, so exploring these files requires knowledge of the game's engine. To circumvent the initial application error, right-click the ME1 file and choose Open With. Prioritize Mass Effect 1 if available. If absent, choose another application. We are looking for a successful file association. If the ME1 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, loading in Mass Effect 1. Place the ME1 file in your Mass Effect saves directory, typically in Documents or BioWare Mass Effect Save. Launch Mass Effect and select Load Game from the main menu. Choose the save and continue your playthrough. The game restores all character progress and world state from the save file. Next, importing to Mass Effect 2. Mass Effect 2 imports. ME1 saves to carry over your character and decisions. Place the ME1 save in the appropriate folder for Mass Effect 2 to detect. During new game creation, select Import ME1 Character to bring forward your unique Shepard with all preserved choices affecting the sequel's storyline. Finally, editing with Gibbed Tools. Use Gibbed's Mass Effect Save Editor to modify ME1 saves. The community-developed tool allows editing character stats, inventory squad members, and plot flags. Backup original saves before editing, as modifications can corrupt files or break game progression if applied incorrectly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.